Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Nissan Murano with a key fob. Sit in the driver's seat, keep the fob inside, press the brake firmly, and press the engine start button. If the car does not start immediately, position the fob near the button and try again while holding the brake. I will walk you through simple checks and quick fixes so you can get moving without stress. If your Murano won't start with the key fob, stay calm and methodical. First, check the fob battery and swap it if needed, then try holding the fob against the start button while pressing the brake. If that fails, use the mechanical key to enter and check dashboard messages for guidance. I'll share clear, easy steps to diagnose common issues so you can decide when a mechanic is necessary. Safety comes first when starting any vehicle, including a Nissan Murano. Always apply the parking brake on slopes and never run the engine inside a closed garage. Keep a spare fob battery and the mechanical key handy in case electronics fail. I'll guide you through habits that prevent lockouts and ensure safe starts, with friendly tips that save time and avoid costly tow truck visits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.